Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to install and test KittenTTS. KittenTTS has been released 2 days back and it is state-of-the-art TTS model under 25 MB. New version of KittenTTS is available to download. So today we will download it and then run it. KittenTTS is an open source realistic text to speech model with just 15 million parameters designed for lightweight deployment and high quality voice synthesis. Its features are ultra lightweight, model size is less than 25 MB. It is CPU optimized and runs on any CPU. Its high quality voices. Several premium voice options are available. This is fast inference optimized for real-time speech synthesis, and it is available in 80 MB, 41 MB, 56 MB and 25 MB. So we are going to first create the conda environment. Conda create -n KittenTTS Python equal to 3.12 and yes. Python virtual environment is being created. Python environment has been created. Now we can activate this environment. Conda activate, and then I will install this KittenTTS using this command pip install and this URL. Now install the KittenTTS wheel file. KittenTTS is now installed. Now I will show you how to make program. So I already developed this app.py which generates the audio, and this is the file from KittenTTS. Import KittenTTS, then load the model and generate the audio, and finally save the audio. So let's run this example. Now the audio is generated, and this is the output file.
This high-quality TTS model works without a GPU. This high-quality TTS model works without a GPU.
So this is the KittenTTS that we install it and use it for generating the voice. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.